Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council 1633 schools right from junior basic school, high school, higher secondary school. The higher secondary school under the control of ADC is only one. So the Kaishana, that is Khumpui Academy. Khumpui Academy tabok বিশেষ ক্লাইয়ে ADC এলাকা ব একটা মডেল স্কুল অঙ্গি ব বাসাখা আগে जों during this financial academic session जों যখন admission ইবাঙি application invite খাইয়া thousands and thousands students apply খাইয়া গে public demand ন जों consider খাইয়ে অরনি executive committee সিদ্ধান্ত না খাজে Khumpui Academy annex Twlangjakmani. Okay, accordingly, as per the approval of the executive committee, oranigo Khumulungo Khumpui Academy annex Twlangjakmani. Nga te charta jagao kholongna nibange siddhant ongkha. Jemon Mandai, Potishari, Gondasara, Unakoti, Kanchanpur. Accordingly, notification issue ka. Okay, abono expansion claimani pore teachers ni the requirement. Abo phayuka, nga teachers ni requirement onusare jeng 100 tutors appointment claiming bang siddhant ongkha in the executive committee. Accordingly, education department of daitto rejakha jebono advertisement rogoi abo merit list toiri claimani bang eligible candidates. Accordingly, with the approval of the competent authority, interview board constitute Klajaka. Okay, interview boards under the chairman, members, member secretary, supporting staff, Borno, some committee Klaimani Pore, Borok, the intending candidates, Borno interview Naka. Interview Namani Pore, Borok merit list on the basis of their academic records about performance in the interview. Abono borok merit list toiri khlaika merit list put up khlaijaka to the authority enka with the approval of the authority offer of appointment ranai bangi approval enka. Accordingly abo bahino some 1:2 basis e jodi 35 requirement thanga ke 70 1:2 merit list unka arne bisingo as per the criteria aro criteria anusare je say 35 requirement thanga merit is as per the merit list 1 to 35 boro no offer of appointment issue khlaijakmani. In case out of 1 to 35 merit list jodi kono join khlaiya hanga reject khlaika hanga next merit list theke borno te phejana ama haike siddhant dongjak tongo okay, as per the decision of the authority borno song miafra ne age theke no offer of appointment toiri khlai borno rinani byabostha khlaijaka. Accordingly miafra by tini borno offer of appointment distribution khlaijaka borok joining khlai
corruption noti kaise allegation tong mani abo hai kono written complaint rok tongna social media simida bo complaint
corruption bolte or no am hai kono written ba verbal complaint phone chinaro bhaya there is no such complaint
abo hai candidate to tong offer mamani yagulo return na harja kabini offer
ba hai return na sai
khorsa candidate to serial number 20 Lili Jamatia maybe tini bono ringui offer back play nahar jaka
sabo na ka banang se and that should not have happened.
But selection ni process le bahai abo ki senior da maintain khai da namit bini merit chimi da nahar jak tangi ngi social media wo tini hasin sini bubagra bo kaisa post khai ga ajau kabang ma comments tok jang nugui man mani senior maintain khaijak liya merit maintain khlaijak liya B.Ed guri borok man kha je mannai borok manna nangai borok man liya kintu junior rok man kha ne abo bobo hai bo
না আর সিনিয়র জুনিয়র বলতে যারা আগে পাস নাই বা পরে পরে পাস নাই আপনো কনসিডার ক্লাইন কোনো স্কোপ করে আর নিগত Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council in principle very consciously decision nakha je we are mandated, we are dedicated to impart quality education. A jaga go merit comes first. Okay, abo preferably jehetu Khumpui Academy ba English medium school. Okay, jara preferably from English medium background, শুধু English medium background those who have command in fluency in English, but no preference preference মানে as per their performance in the interview board, they have been recommended, they have been selected. और निगा सब आगे पासंगा सब परे पासंगा senior junior, that was not the criteria. This is purely on merit basis.
Okay. Ek sir thangnai jeng admission na ti bukai se education khaimani nukha. But Khumpui Academy tai education department ni bukhak tai kaisa welfare complaint Twlangjakmani kiri. Kebo ane bu mungai ba te kol kaisa organization bu kebo rang nahari tonga ka phataro philo. Rang nahar jaknai ban rang maranai complaint khaya pano ani bu mongai Khumpui ni bu mong khaijak mani Khumpui affair khaya tong mani tau bu khaijak ya abon ni bahai ni khlo
amato sumto we are talking about the transparency in the process of recruitment behind the school porichalona khaini khetre, in the process of taking admission nanani sikang sung sufficiently sung widely publicized khlaikya onkai khlaimani parai even from the honorable chairman of administrative reforms committee that is Maharaja was high there should be totally transparent policy. Transparently chung khaini nai tam aro bising o jodi kono borok hatani borok ba guardians ra amta hai ke rang laika na laika abato it is purely out of our jurisdiction. This is one. Haifano jodi borok specific jodi kono complaint laika definitely we will make inquiry and we will take action. Kintu tabok porjonto written complaint ama haichina ro sapaya jengbo motamoti emta khana ka social media rako. In that case koinai je jodi ama ha jodi kono complaint tonganga because Khumpui Academy is run by the ADC, so if there is any complaint jodi ama ha complaint hoikanga definitely we will inquire into the case.
Kaisa officially tinthani khobor tongmani gangke je teacher recruitment no ti education department ni je offer register maintain khaimani abo viral ka social media bo ang try khika em education by phone kok sanani bu kari tongmani bagai network problem bagai semia kintu bini bukhakti kaisa no manmani kan unofficially je officially abo je material rokno register rokno viral khaini rokno terminate khainani ba abo ha ekta punishment rani okotong bahai ni knowledge da to
abo under process je ama hai kaisa chung complaint ma khaje official records badra leaked out thanga secrecy maintaining lia jara dealing assistant dong nai jara deal khlakya borna chung su cost notice so khlaijakha okay they'll be suspended as per the CCSE. Today, tomorrow they will be suspended.
Okay. Thank you.